Hey, I want to showcase DroidClaw.ai that we have built. So basically, you don't need any ADB connections or anything that we showcased before. We have created an app which will act as an agent and do all the work for you. I'll quickly go through the steps of how to set it up. So basically, you need an API key from our website, or you can self-host it from our GitHub repository. Everything is there in the GitHub. The APK is also there. You can download it and install it, and you can put it on your server and get your own API key. I'll quickly show you how to use this. You launch the app and you will enter the API key and you will say continue and you will give all the permissions. These permissions are needed for the agent to work seamlessly, take actions on behalf of you, and you get started and you are connected and ready. You can give your first goal. So let's say open YouTube and search for the video Life of Ram and play the first video. So now it's thinking and it's taking action, and you can see now it's typing and it's taking action, and it has went to the first video and it has played. We have increased the speed of its working by almost close to 100% than we showcased yesterday and day before. And now it's ready for the next action to be given. You can click on this ready to go back on the app, and here we are showing you the logs, what it did and how it did. And anytime you can go to the settings and check all of your permissions and other things. And also I'll quickly show you how you can control this device from our website. So basically we'll click on the device and it will show you the devices that are connected. You can open it. It will show what all the sessions we have, what all the percentage of goals that are success. We show all the apps that you have so that you can take action on it. Battery percentage is shown. You can also go through the whole sessions and you can explore it, how it has went through. And now let's run it from here. So basically, let's say open camera and take a selfie. You run it and the phone executes. You don't need any ADB or anything. It has switched the camera from back to front and it has taken a selfie. So that's how it works. And feel free to try it out. We have some lifetime deals going on. So grab it, very limited slots. Try it now. And developing multiple features in this. So let us know how it is.